canopy, stum it away. Roots pull water up, air brings carbon dioxide in. Breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, breathe in.
I'm a leaf on a limb, veins wide like cold, drawing water from roots while the sunlight loads. My skin's got gates, stomach to breathe, pulling carbon dioxide from the air with ease. Inside, chloroplasts line mesophyll rows, stacked like circuits where the energy flows. Outside, pigments read blue and red, reflect green. Leaves keep a steady sheen. Sun hits chlorophyll, electrons leap, water breaks down, oxygen freed, power builds up, chemical reserves, energy carriers prime, ready to serve. Yeah, I don't speak, I synthesize, push electrons through chains where redox flies. The air you breathe, that oxygen you claim, that's water torn apart in my thylakoid frame.
Light made currency, power and store. Shift to the stroma, time to build more. Like it, like it.
C₆H₁₂O₆ plus C₆H₂O, light in. C₆H₁₂O₆ plus C₆O₂, breathe in.
Upstairs,
C₆CO₂ plus C₆H₂O, light in. C₆H₁₂O₆ plus C₆O₂, breathe in.
In the stroma, Rubisco grabs carbon dioxide on sight, joins it to RUBP and locks it tight. Calvin turns cycles, 3 carbon pieces made. Some leave as glucose, some just stay. Stored energy pays, delivered charge drive. These steps knit sugar so the plant survives. Sugar chains grow, some short, some long. Fuel for a root or a branch grown strong.
I'm not alone, oceans bloom and blaze. Phytoplankton haze in the sunlight phase. Cyanobacteria raised your breathable sky. Oxygen climbed over eons high. Forests lock carbon, dampen the flame. Rainforests pull it, planetary lungs in play. Torch the woods, break the chain. Carbon dioxide stacks up climate strain. Light made currency, power and store. Shift to the stroma, time to build more. Light in, light in.
C₆CO₂ plus C₆H₂O, light in. C₆H₁₂O₆ plus C₆O₂,
Breathe in, I said.
C₆CO₂ plus C₆H₂O, light in. C₆H₁₂O₆ plus C₆O₂,
Breathe in. Glucose feeds roots deep into night, and I respire too when there's no light. You eat what I make, you exhale what I need. We trade breath in an endless feed. Photosynthesis ain't just growth and green, it's carbon woven into the living machine.
From cornfields wide to ocean shells, we process sunlight by ourselves. I don't move, I don't speak, I keep the pace, turning photons into structure, breath and taste. From gas to grain, from light